Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing your Google Cloud environment so you can act immediately. First, create or select a project and enable billing. This unlocks APIs and resource quotas. Once done, enable key APIs: Compute Engine, Cloud Storage, EM, and Cloud Logging. Install and authenticate the G-Cloud SDK, then set your default project, region, and zone so CLI commands target the right resources. Make sure to add a billing alert to avoid surprises, and grant yourself an owner or editor role for initial setup work. You now provision core services that run your workload and store data. Start by choosing whether you need a VM for single instances or GKE for containers, pick machine type and boot disk, and then deploy. Next, create cloud storage buckets and apply lifecycle rules to control costs. Attach service accounts with least privilege via IAM. Configure networking, VPC subnets, firewall rules, and an HTTPS load balancer if you need public access. Once done, test connectivity and verify logs flow into cloud logging. You finish by deploying code and validating everything works end-to-end. Use gcloud deploy or kubectl apply, or trigger a CI/CD pipeline with Cloud Build to automate releases, and make sure environment variables and secrets are injected via Secret Manager. Then enable monitoring, logging, and alerts to watch health and costs. Run integration tests and simulate traffic. If something fails, check IAM permissions first. Misconfigured roles often cause failures. As a troubleshooting tip, inspect cloud logging and cloud trace together to pinpoint where requests fail or slow down.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.